Let's take it slow.
What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have 3 different products and these are all very necessary for office works. There is something going on Aliexpress. There is a Double 11 discount going on Aliexpress and I have managed to get something very cheap. This is a 5-in-1 MagSafe charging station and this one costs only $34.6. Who'd believe this? Moreover, this one comes with a MagSafe protective case for free. And after I have used these products for a while, I'm truly satisfied. Yeah, the second thing is a pen. I have been using this Stylus pen as my iPad Pro pencil and definitely this one offers the best value for money. You can't even imagine how cheap this one is. Like yesterday, I went outside and had a custom-made coffee. That one costed me $19.99, but this pen costs $14.44. This brand deserves a like. Well, we will unbox, we will go through everything, but before that, let's check the final product. This is a iPad Pro Magic Keyboard and definitely this one also is a protective case. Let's unwrap this one after another and let's go through the testing process, the review process. But before everything, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel because I always offer my subscribers and regular viewers with honest content. I always try to provide you information about affordable products. Well, all the things today we have here in this video, I have bought these from AliExpress and yeah, I have got these pretty cheap because I have bought these in a discount session called Aliexpress Double 11. Oh, I've forgotten to mention the price of this magnetic keyboard case. This one costs $76.8. If you have a 11-inch iPad Pro or iPad Air 4th generation or 5th generation, if you have a 12.9-inch iPad Pro, then it will cost $83.2. Let's start with this magnetic keyboard case for my iPad Pro M1, and as I am gonna have my new iPad Pro M2, this one also supports iPad Pro M2, this one also supports iPad Air 4th generation and 5th generation. Well, let's do the unboxing. Before the unboxing, you can see it clearly says floating keyboard case with trackpad, floating, yeah, touch. This one comes with a touchpad, scissor switch, ultra thin keyboard, and there are 7 colors. We are gonna talk about these colors things soon. Wow, the packaging is really nice. It's well protected. After opening the top lid, there is a wireless keyboard user manual. Wow, everything they have written clearly. There are a lot of illustrations and yeah, it should be very easy to use. Inside the box, we have got our iPad Pro case. And yeah, there is a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable included inside the box. Here is our iPad Pro floating keyboard with touchpad. Oh my gosh, this looks so premium. You know, even if it's plastic, this feels like leather. This is so premium plastic. They have definitely used something premium. I really like this anti-fleece design and we can actually vertically tilt it up to 127 degrees. As my iPad will get magnetically attached to this keyboard, it should be very easy to use. Here is my iPad Pro. It couldn't be any easier than this. I have just placed my iPad Pro on this case and my iPad Pro has got aligned by itself because there are very strong magnets over here on this case and yeah, it's super easy. Well, there is a USB-C port on the right side. You will also notice that there is a button. This button is to power on and to power off this keyboard. Okay, after we turn on or power on this keyboard, then we have to press function button and the B button to enable Bluetooth and then connect this keyboard with our iPad. With any iPad that you are using, it doesn't matter whether you're using an iPad Pro or iPad Air, we have to connect it through Bluetooth. As I have already connected with the Bluetooth, it's really very easy and I have already connected this keyboard with my iPad. It's really very easy to use. Look at this. So fluid. So fluid. I really like this touch screen. Well, another thing I like about this, that most other cheap touchpads, there is no clicky feelings and it's very difficult to click on those touchpads and touch sensitivity isn't as good as this one. This one definitely is comparable to any other premium flagship class touchpads, and well, it's time to check the keyboard, right? Let's try to type something. Yeah, really, there is a very good travel. Even if it's a very slim keyboard, there is a good travel and very good clicky feelings. Every time I click, there is a satisfying clicky feelings. And let me try one more time. I have been using one of these for a while, but this one is another unit, so let me try. Yeah, satisfying, really nice. Typing on this keyboard is so satisfying. I'm super happy with this keyboard and the touchpad. Now let's talk about some features and functions, some shortcuts. Well, the touchpad actually adapts to iOS, like which iOS version you have, what type of features and options are there depends on those. So depending on those, we can click, scroll, swipe, we can do everything. There are 7 colors, adjustable backlit. This keyboard is actually backlit and there are 7 different colors. There are 3 different levels of backlight. This is backlight is gone. The first level, second level, third level. And we can also change the color of the backlight. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 different colors. This touchpad comes with 2 different buttons. We also can do scrolling with 2 fingers without any issues. We can swipe up with 3 fingers to go app switcher. We can also do the same to go to the home screen. Everything is working perfectly fine. Now, most importantly, this keyboard comes with all the multimedia keys and a lot of special keys. For example, if we want to lock our iPad, it's locked. If we want to unlock, it's unlocked. We have taken a screenshot. We can also mute and unmute using the multimedia function buttons. We can increase volume, decrease volume. Also, this keyboard comes with smart sleep. So if the user of this keyboard by any chance have forgotten to turn it off, this one will go to sleep because this one have this smart sleep function. There are 12 different magnets over here and the tilting function is so fluid, so smooth. It gives me satisfying feelings. And the materials they have used is high quality PU and microfiber. What else can you expect from a product within this price segment? This one is the king in its price segment. Oh my god, I cannot even believe that this one costs less than $50. Now, as we have a keyboard, what else we need to use our iPad Pro or iPad Air? A pencil, a stylus, and now we are gonna check that. Here comes our stylus pen, superfine nib, active, capacitive. This one has CE, ROHS and FCC certification. So yeah, this should have a very good quality. Oh my gosh, this one even comes with a carrying pouch. Look at this, they have even provided 2 tips for free. There is a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable also included inside the box, and I really like this idea that they have chosen USB-C over Lightning, because my iPad Pro and almost all the iPads now uses USB-C port to get charged, so only carrying one USB-C cable is good enough to charge this one. Well, let's put everything aside and let's check how good is this one. As I've been using this one, that means I'm in love with this one, or else I wouldn't do this video. This pencil actually takes 90 minutes to get fully charged, and once fully charged we can use it for up to 1, 2, 3, 30 hours. Can you believe this? We can use this one for 30 hours without connecting it through Bluetooth, but if we connect it through Bluetooth with our iPad, then we can also use this one for massive 10 hours. Well, the difference between connecting through Bluetooth and not connecting through Bluetooth is when we connect this pencil with our iPad through Bluetooth, then we can check the battery status and we can use the shortcut buttons. We can use the shortcut keys. But if we don't connect it through Bluetooth, we can also use this one as a pen without any issue, and this one is fully functional, fully active. Why did I use the word active? Actually, this pencil makes me much more active than what I was before. My productivity has increased a bit. Every time I buy something new which actually performs in real life, my productivity goes up, and yeah, my boss actually starts praising me. To power it on, what we have to do is to press on top. It's powered on, and when it's powered on, there will be a blue light. Well, let's try. Oh, cool, it's super smooth. Oh my gosh, this one has 40, 60 and 90-degree different type of tilt function. I really didn't expect this type of function, and this one comes with palm rejection. Look at this. Put my palm and then right, palm rejection is super fine. I'm using this application because there are some grids over here so that I can actually check how precise is it. Yeah, it's super precise. This one gets magnetically connected. Yeah, even if it cannot get wirelessly charged, but yeah, this one can get connected and it's very strongly connected. It's not gonna fly off. Okay, after we have connected this pencil through Bluetooth, you can see here clearly that we can check the battery status and we can also use the shortcuts. Check this. Touch once, it goes to the home page. Touch twice, it goes to task management. Super crazy cool. Really, I'm in love with this one. It's so great. This one is very much durable and that makes me super satisfied about this pen. And as I've already mentioned, there is a USB-C port, so we can charge this one with any USB-C cable. Finally, we have this 5-in-1 magnetic wireless charging station which comes with a free MagSafe protective case. You can select your protective case. I'm using iPhone 14 Pro Max, so I have selected iPhone 14 Pro Max, but if you are using iPhone 14 Pro, you can definitely select that one. Let's unbox this. Okay, first check some features. Qi cell phone, AirPods, Apple Watch, Apple Pencil, tablet, iPad. We can charge almost everything. Let's unwrap it. Well, inside the box there are a lot of things. There is a user manual, a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Well, it's really very easy to install. Let me install this one quickly for you. Wow, it was really very easy. And okay, now let's connect the other parts. You know what? I really like this idea that this one comes with all the ports built in, so we don't have to play with some cables. It has got connected without any issue. Well, if you have a different type of charger for your Apple Watch, then they have provided a different type of solution for that. Well, inside the box, they have provided an 18-watt charger. This one supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. In Hans Tech Talk, we just don't talk. We do proper testing. We do the real review. We are ready to test its performance. We are not gonna just say this one is good. Is it really that good? Anyway, the protective case that they have provided is super premium quality, and as this one came as a free gift, I should give this one 10 out of 10 for its build quality, appearance, design and protection. Check this. The magnet they have used is one of the strongest magnets that I have ever seen on a MagSafe charging station. This is not magic, this is MagSafe. Well, there is another thing I like about this is this one comes with overcurrent, overcharge protection and slowly increases charging speed. Now my iPhone 14 Pro Max is getting charged at around 11 watt. Let's add my AirPods Pro 2022 edition. Yeah, my iPhone 14 Pro Max is already almost 62% full, so this charging speed is very much acceptable.
Let's take it slow.
I have added my AirPods Pro 2022 edition and here you can see charging speed, wattage, this is going up. Now let me put my Apple Watch Series 8. That one has also started to get charged. Well, altogether, all of these three devices, my iPhone 14 Pro Max, my AirPods Pro 2022 edition and my Apple Watch Series 8, all these three is getting charged and we have able to squeeze 15 watt, which they have promised in their marketing materials. So yeah, this one gets a super like because what they have said, they're able to deliver. We can also add our pencil and this one also gets magnetically attached and will not get dropped. So yeah, that's cool. Now let me show you something different. I have pulled this one out of its place. Yeah, now let me put it back. Now my iPhone is in landscape mode and in this mode we can watch movies, we can enjoy entertainment. There are more. I have again taken it out. There is another slot over here. And after we have connected in its new place, new position, look at this. Isn't it fun? And yeah, there is an LED indicator when you place your iPhone on this MagSafe port. If it's getting charged, this LED indicator will become green. Well, why we have placed it in a different location? Because there is a reason. At the beginning, I have mentioned that this one is a 5-in-1 charger because here comes the fifth product. At the beginning, I have said this one is a 5-in-1 charging station because here comes the number 1, pencil, number 2, tablet, number 3, our iPhone, number 4, AirPods, number 5, the Apple Watch. Go ahead, enjoy. And another thing is that if you don't want to carry this whole charging dock with you, if you only want to carry this MagSafe part, this one comes with a USB-C port. We can just travel with this one and connect it with a USB-C cable. You are good to go. Even if we want to carry this whole thing with us, we can detach almost everything and then pack it in a small bag and go to travel. Carry on. Well, here comes everything: magnetic keyboard, Folio, a pencil, and 5-in-1 charging station that I have been using in my office, in my studio, everywhere for last almost 8 days, at least 7 days now, and I have been super satisfied. That's why I have made this video. I have bought this from Aliexpress because there is a discount going on, 11.11 or double 11 discount, and in this discount session there are many other products, there are many other discounts, there are many other options you can select from. I have selected these 3 and I will leave a link of each of these products in the description box below. If you follow the link, then you will be able to get some discount. But as I always say, these links are not affiliate links. As usual, I'm not gonna get any incentive if you buy from these links. If you wanna buy these products, you can buy from anywhere. But if you buy from these links, from this discount session, double 11, then you will get some discount. That's it. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, if you want to watch more honest review videos, then please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.
You ask me how we got here, cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown.